Hello, hi guys. Let's make overnight oats. Take 50 grams of oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. The spoon is very small, so it's only 1 tablespoon. 1 glass of milk, it is very easy to make by the way. 3 to 4 blueberries for the taste, 3 to 4 almonds. Ta-da! Next, add pumpkin seeds. It's very simple, guys. Pinch of salt for the taste. Now let's keep it in the fridge. Morning you can add fruits of your own choice, pomegranate, banana, orange, whatever you like. And it's ready. Follow for more. Bye bye.